oxygen cycle. In the most simplest term, the oxygen cycle helps regulate and maintain oxygen levels on Earth by moving throughout the atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere, also known as the three main spheres of our planet. The atmosphere is a layer of gases that are located above the surface of the Earth. The lithosphere can be found on the Earth's ground level along with the crust. The lithosphere also holds the largest reservoir of oxygen, and the biosphere makes up all of Earth's ecosystem.
The stages of oxygen cycle. The stages of oxygen cycle can be divided into three parts. The first part is part 1. The first stage of oxygen cycle involves photosynthesis. It basically is the process wherein the green plants release oxygen in the atmosphere as a byproduct of the cycle. The second stage of oxygen cycle happens when aerobic organisms, or the organisms that are dependent on oxygen, breathes oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide, which then segues us nicely to the third part of the oxygen cycle happens when the said carbon dioxide is circulated to the atmosphere, which is then used by plants in photosynthesis. Now the oxygen and carbon dioxide is balanced and the oxygen cycle begins once more.
How does it affect the way of life? It needs no explanation that living organisms use oxygen to live. Our body uses oxygen and converts it into energy. Not only that, but oxygen has multiple uses including decomposition, combustion, production of industrial materials, and more. As mentioned earlier, decomposition is an important process of life in which oxygen plays a vital role in. It occurs when a living organism dies and its flesh, along with its components such as oxygen, are returned into the soil, which explains why the lithosphere holds the largest reservoir of oxygen.
In the triangle of fire, it is mentioned that fire needs oxygen, heat, and fuel for it to continue to burn. Remove any of the three, and fire would not combust. Without combustion, there would be no steel industry, as irons need to be smelted from high heat for them to turn into different sorts of high-quality steel that are used in many of our surrounding infrastructures. The importance of oxygen also extends to the medical and agricultural fields, as oxygen is mainly used as an oxidant for the production of chemicals such as ethylene oxide, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Each of these chemicals is important in the industry, as ethylene oxide can be used to sterilize medical equipment, nitric acid with ammonia can be used as a soil fertilizer, and sulfuric acid can be used in the production of chemotherapy drugs in combating cancer.
So, for raising awareness, the importance of the oxygen cycle permeates every aspect of our lives, from the basic need for oxygen to sustain life and every living organism to its crucial role in various essential processes. Its significance cannot be overstated. Oxygen serves as the fuel for our bodies, empowering cellular respiration and providing the energy necessary for our daily activities. It plays a pivotal role in decomposition, facilitating the breakdown of organic matter and the recycling of nutrients in ecosystem. This process not only enriches soil fertility but also supports the growth of new life. Oxygen is essential for combustion, driving processes like fire that have been integral to human civilization for millennia. In essence, the oxygen cycle is the livelihood of our planet, sustaining life as we know it, and shaping the very fabric of our existence. Join us in uncovering the unsung hero for our planet, the oxygen cycle. It's more than just a process. It's the beating heart of life itself. From the air we breathe to the soil beneath our feet, oxygen threads through every aspect of our existence, sustaining ecosystems, fueling industries, and empowering our very being.
Yet, this vital cycle often goes unnoticed, taken for granted amidst the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. But understanding its importance is crucial, for it is the foundation upon which our world thrives. Imagine a world without oxygen. the breath of life extinguished, the flames of progress snuffed out. It's a reality that we cannot afford to ignore. But together, we can make a difference. By raising awareness about the oxygen cycle, we can inspire action to protect and preserve it for generations to come. Join us in championing this cause. Share your knowledge, spread the word, and together, let's ensure that the oxygen cycle continues to sustain life on our planet for years to come.
So what can we improve? Many human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and excessive carbon emissions have caused an imbalance of oxygen levels within the atmosphere, overwhelming our oxygen cycle's capacity to ensure optimal conditions. This imbalance has damaged our ozone layer, and with continuous damage, there will be a time in the future when the Earth becomes uninhabitable. Thankfully, the time is still yet to come. Thus, it's paramount for our survival to mitigate further damage and ensure the sustainability of our oxygen cycle. Just like its destructive capabilities, human activities can also promote the sustainability of our oxygen cycle. One activity in particular is the engagement and reforestation efforts. Trees turn carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis.
By increasing the number of trees in environment, we would also be able to increase the production of oxygen, allowing the greater capacity of our oxygen cycle. In addition, adopting and advocating the use of cleaner and renewable energy such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric energy reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. Transitioning away from the use of fossil fuels greatly reduces our imbalance of the gases in the atmosphere. Supporting initiative and incentivize the utilization of clean energy is essential for achieving a sustainable environment.